Today, you will witness the transformation this little dog has undergone. Luca was attacked by 2 dogs larger than him. We rescued him and took him to the hospital where he received treatment. His surgery went so well that now Luca looks like a different dog. Don't miss it.
Es una maravilla, ha sido un éxito.
Es que es guapísimo así,
Let's see how our friend Luca is doing today. I think he's going to be just fine. And if we're lucky, we can take him with us. Hi, ladies. Are you taking Luca for a walk?
We're going for a walk.
Oh, that's wonderful.
A ver, Lucas. Nuestro... ¿Cómo se llama el perro este que va afeitado?
Our unique Chinese crested. Haha.
Peculiar. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Venga, va. Mira. Vale. Venga, tira para allá. Hasta luego. Lo llevas súper bien. Qué guay.
You're doing great. You were eager to leave the clinic, weren't you? We're going to the Great House, and you'll meet everyone there. You don't know the folks from the Great House. Haven't you seen them on YouTube? No?
Gracias.
All his wounds are healing well.
Ya no tiene heridas, están curando ya bien.
There might be something I forgot, but all I know is that I miss you a lot. 7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country.
¡Vamos! ¡Hop!
Every cell screams, stay right here, and my legs, they freeze us in fear. We got time after this, but I'll need you as my brightest light. Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
Look how well everything is healing. It's marvelous.
Es una maravilla, ha sido un...
The surgery was a success. We're so happy we could help this little gem recover.
We've seen that he's doing very well here at the clinic, but he can't stay here. We have to take him with us.
He'll be much better off with you at the Great House.
Yes, but we need to find him a home. Do you think it will take long to find him a home?
So many families will be interested in adopting him. The happy ending is when he finds a family, and I'm sure he will.
Let's see how the blood tests come out. He was a bit anemic. Luca, behave yourself, okay? Don't look.
It's looking very good. The stitches on this side are a bit open, but here it's healing nicely.
At least his nose looks normal.
And he's breathing through his nose with his mouth closed. He's doing great.
Don't you dare, okay? Carmen is a friend. Have you seen his mischievous face?
La cara de pillo.
Very good, Luca. You're doing fantastic. And you too, Carmen.
Gordito, esa cara de no haberle dado un plato.
He's gorgeous.
Luca was a bit anemic the other day, but he's recovered really well. It was from the bite, but everything else is fine.
Perfect. Can we say he's been discharged?
Yes, he can go home.
Is all this for Luca?
Yes.
We're going with our friend Luca, who's been discharged.
Luca, que está de alta. ¡Ay! Aire
Fresh air.
puro.
Don't look back. I know you were very comfortable, but we're heading to the great house. Come on, you're going to start your new life. We're off. And here's Luca.
Está Lucas.
How clever he is.
Listo, ¿eh?
He loves being in the shade. So smart, huh? How's it going here with all your friends? Are you all behaving well?
Jordan. Tú, escarrarias. ¿Todo bien?
Better here than in that place where you almost got sent to the other side.
Casi te envían al otro barrio. Eres un sinvergüenza, eres un sinvergüencita. ¿Y tú qué?
What do you think of the friend we brought you? Good?
¿Sí? Oye, pues has hecho un buen
You've made a
grupito de
nice group of
amigos.
friends.
¿Estás
Are you
contento?
happy?
¿Sí?
But now we need to find you a home.
Bueno,
As you
pues
can
como
see,
veréis, aquí
here's
está
Luca.
Está
He's super
súper
happy,
contento, súper feliz por toda la
super
ayuda que le
grateful
habéis
for all the help
ofrecido.
you've given him.
Bueno, pues ahora
Now
entre
we all
todos
need to find
tenemos
him a
que
good
buscarle
family,
una buena familia a
so he
nuestro
can be
amigo
very
Luca
happy,
y que sea
because
muy
he's doing
feliz,
well here.
porque aquí está bien, aquí está
Very well
muy
indeed.
bien.
But it would be
Pero
even better
mejor
if he
en
was
un
on a
sofá,
sofa getting his belly
rascándole
scratched.
la barriga. Tú ya
You're more
estás
than
más que
recovered.
recuperado. Venga, sinvergüenza. Vamos
We're
a
going to
buscar una
find you a
casita
home
entre
together.
todos, que lo
We love
queremos
him very
mucho,
much,
pero va a ser
but he's going to be Super
Luca.
Luca.
The algorithm is that mysterious formula that decides what it is that you're going to watch today on YouTube. Unfortunately, animal rescue channels, such as ours, are not favored by the algorithm. Our content is consistently pushed down, so you don't get to see the content you want to see. And this is why we're here to introduce major changes. Welcome to our revamped Patreon community. You're going to have direct access. All videos will be uploaded to Patreon free from advertising and censorship. Most importantly, you'll be at the heart of our mission. Being part of our Patreon community means you're directly contributing to saving lives and making a tangible difference. Please join our Patreon today. We need you. Our animals need you. Thank you.